Hello, welcome to Wylock. Today is lesson 22 and we'll be going over the 6th grade worksheet. So the first page is going over the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor means means the number, the largest number that can be used as a divisor for all three numbers, where it'll result in a whole number. So take number 1 for example. So 45, 18, 81. So what I think of when I see 45 is 9 times 5, right? Or 3 times 3 times 5. 9 times 2 is 18, and 81 is 9 times 9. So the greatest common factor. So there's a bunch of common factors. The common factors are 3 and 9, right? Because all of these can be divided by 3, all of these can be divided by 9. But the bigger number is 9, so the greatest common factor is 9. That is your answer. Let's look at another one. This one's already, you can kind of tell what's going on right here. So 20, 80, and 50. What do they all have in common? They have tens, right? So 20 over 10, 80 over 10, and 50 over 10. So 2 times 10, 2 times 8, not 2 times 8, 8 times 10, and 5 times 10. Right, and the greatest factor out of all of these is 2 is a factor, 5 is a factor, but the biggest factor is 10. Alright, let's look at another one. So number 8. Number 8 is also super similar. 45 is 15 times 3. 90 actually is 15 times 6. And 15 is 15 times 1. So greatest common factor is not ever going to be bigger than the smallest number, right? It's going to be 15. That will be the answer. Alright. The next page that we'll be working on is coordinate grids. So coordinate grids are the x and y coordinate, and it's why so many people like using graph paper for math. So it says draw a quadrilateral with vertices -10, 0, 3, 2, -1, -9, and -9, -7. And then move it 6 units up. Alright, so let's just get this done and over with. -10, 0. So we count out 10 squares. -10 by 0. So you move 0 and y. So x is going to be 3. Y is going to be 2. X is going to be -1. Y is going to be -9. X is going to be -9. Y is going to be -7. If we connect it like this, like this, like this, like this, we get our quadrilateral. If we had a straight edge, it would be much better, but there's no method of getting like a straight edge in here, so all we have to do is just move 6 units up. That means move every point 6 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. Move this 6 units up. Move this 6 units up. And then 2, 4, 6 units up. Alright, so like this, like this, like this, and like this. And that is 6 units up. And now that we get rid of this one, this will be our answer. Okay, the new coordinates. You can check my graph for the coordinates. Since you're moving 6 units up, the y value is going to be added by 6. And that'll be all your answers. Got it? Alright, draw a parallelogram with vertices -6. Alright, -6, +6. So right here, 5, and then 9. 5, 7, -6, 4. Alright, so it's going to be connected like this, like this, like this, and like this. That'll be our parallelogram. And what we have to do is reflect it along the x-axis. So the x-axis is this one, because this is what the x values are. And reflecting it means making every x value negative. That would every y value negative, I mean. Alright. That would mean -4, -6, and then +7, +9, -7, -9. That like this, like this, like this, like that. And that will be reflected along the x-axis. Okay? Alright, coordinate grid continued. Alright, this time, for this one, since we've done that twice, we're gonna try something a little more advanced. It says 2 units left and 7 units up. 2 units left, and the x, that means the x coordinates will be subtracted by 2. 7 units up would be y coordinates are added by 7. So instead of drawing the original shape and moving it, like we did right here, we're going to just draw it all out from the start. So 2 units left, -2 minus 2 is going to be -4, 3 plus 7 is going to be 10. Alright? 2 minus 2 will be 0. 2 plus 7 2 plus 7 will be 9. 2 -3, that's going to be 2 to the left, so 0 by 7. And then right here is, and then right here as well. If we go to the last point, -2, -2, moved up 7, it will be like that. Wait. Yeah. That is our answer. And the last one I'm just not going to do because it's the exact same one. It says use the formula given to complete. Super simple, just A equals LW. When variables are next to each other, they're multiplied. So length is 8.6 times 3. That's just going to be 25.8. 25.8. That's it.